Three, two,
Hi guys.
one. Hello guys, I am Rakshit Gamer and Cybro Gamer. Today we are gonna play Among Us. So we will play online. And who is gonna create the game?
Rakshit, let's find a game.
No need, otherwise it would be very hard. Wait, I'll create a game with 10 imposters. Sorry, 3
10.
imposters with 10 people. Confirm. Uh,
No. Okay.
Code is GDL.
1 second, I didn't
My
turn.
server is North America. Server is North America.
Okay, 1 second. It's North America only.
GDL
GDL
KPQ.
KPQ.
Yes, that only. Come on. Let me take my this. So let's keep it public. So guys, as you can see, we are playing Among Us. Among Us is very popular. I don't know how.
Yes, guys.
Come, you people. I kept it public only, not private.
Yes, yes.
Why emergency meetings only one more? Wait, let me increase it.
Oh, you can increase it now.
9 emergency meetings.
Naina. They will waste it, Rakshit, if they come.
But we will utilize it. Hey, you peoples, you're not coming. Why so?
Oh, one
Yes,
came.
someone came.
Momo, it seems.
Your voice is breaking again.
1 second.
Daisy Flowery. Flavia. Is
Flower,
it
I.
Flavy? No, it's Flavia.
Oh, yes, it's Flavi.
Come. That knife is very scary.
Whoa. Doggy cat, it seems.
Four,
Emma,
five,
Mr. Haba.
6. Go there. There are
Start.
more people coming.
Wait till
Wait,
10.
wait. One more person.
One left. I
Two more
left.
persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come here and start.
Let's mute our calls, Rakshit.
So we will mute ourselves. Mute.
So, guys, I don't think so. Let's go do our tasks. So, guys, is doggy cat gonna kill me? No. Let's throw this waste and let's go first. I have suspicion. So, guys, done. Now let's go for another task. Communication. Now Rakshit Gamer is following me.
Who found the dead body?
I don't know.
Doggy cat. Yes, Cyborg was with me. So he cannot kill and he cannot report also.
No, okay. Actually, I saw doggy cat last at navigation. No. Sorry.
Navigation.
O2.
O2.
Yes.
Sorry, I can't spell, but it was in cafeteria. Eh?
Okay,
Go. Skip. We will skip. We don't know who is an imposter.
It was green that year.
Skip.
Yes.
Skip.
Skip this round.
Skip what? Okay, so he died in oxygen.
Yes. No.
Cyborg was coming out of the where? Wait. If oxygen is that side, But Cyborg came from here, which means he did not kill him. It must be other persons.
I think so. It's white or black, Rakshit, because I saw them in weapons and again going back to cafeteria.
Then wait, we will see. We will mute.
Okay. So guys, we can do this.
Wait, 2 imposters are.
Three,
What is
Rakshit.
this? There were 3 imposters now?
Yes, it's three
One
only.
left, I think so.
Yes.
Someone left. Okay, mute.
Now there's a task in communication. Let's complete that. Where is it? Okay. Questions on hint. Come on fast. Whoa. Yes, report it. Yes.
Another body. Cyborg, you died.
Yes.
Okay. You cannot say the imposter name. Remember, you died.
Yes. But Purple saw it.
Purple saw it, so it could be a self-report, or he just came in and saw.
Can I say one thing?
I came it on accident.
No.
Wait. I came in and walked into it and I saw it but didn't report it on accident. Skip this round. This pink is so much suspicious. I'm voting pink.
Yes.
You cannot vote.
Yes, I cannot vote. Actually,
But I'm still there.
can I tell one thing?
What?
I actually got suspicions from
Yes.
first only. Doggy cat. Because
Please say he's an imposter.
Yes.
Please say he is an imposter.
yes, he's an imposter.
Yes. Yes. So, mute.
Rakshit,
What?
actually, I was doing a navigation task. He came and killed me.
Okay. So, we will find the second imposter.
Doggy cat killed someone. No, it's not doggy cat. I saw. Rakshit,
It's yellow.
should I tell anything?
What?
It's yellow only. After he killed purple, he vented.
Yes, I saw because White was with me. White was with me, but not. What?
Yes, victory.
We won.
No, actually, I think so. Yellow left the game. That's why we
Yes,
won. So let's play another one.
because there's a simple logic, guys. If White was coming with me, then why is Yellow not there with me? That is what's suspicious. Because if one person is not there in the group, then he'll be suspicious and he'll be as an imposter. Only 3 people came up. And why did he not came up? Came. Cyborg came. Oh,
Daisy Fluffy left the game.
why did he have to left public? Come on, come you peoples.
Yes,
Who came?
tree
So many
trump,
people. Trump.
tree
Then
trump,
you have petrol
cup
pump.
cup itself. Tree trump cup. Nice nicknames.
Okay.
Imposter, unicorn, Billy
One more
9.
person. One more person. One more person.
Yes.
Start.
Who is that? No
One.
name is there. No name is there. Light green. No name is there.
So let's mute.
So guys, let's do this. But we are on. But we are on crewmate again, guys. We should be careful of that. Rakshit Gamer could be an unicorn. Let's see that afterwards. Oxygen depleted. 1 second, I'm going to upload and go, guys. So actually, I have suspicions on Rakshit Gamer.
Someone got killed.
Who reported it? Unicorn. Actually, I saw unicorn. No. Actually, I saw unicorn at weapons last.
Oxygen depletion. Oxygen.
No. I think so. Unicorn self-reported. Because
I think so. It could.
because
It could be.
because I saw unicorn in the weapons, and when I
Okay, skip. If you don't have any evidence, you have to skip.
okay, your wish.
We cannot.
I voted as well. But Rakshit, let's follow unicorn next, Rakshit.
I was the imposter.
Huh? Okay.
I killed that fellow when he was doing oxygen depletion.
Okay.
I think so. One fellow left. That's why we won.
Yes.
So guys, it was a very quick match. As an imposter, unlucky fellow.
I thought I could be an imposter, but I can't.
Okay. So guys, in any video in Among Us, I and Cyborg will be the imposter. Any video. It could be any video.
Yes,
I don't know
guys.
about that.
Actually, the Among Us game selects it random who is the imposter and who is the crewmate. So we don't know if we both could be a imposter or crewmate.
Imposter or crewmate.
Yes.
More 4 people.
Yes.
Wait, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 only.
Wow. Actually,
More.
Dream came out. Do you know Dream,
So,
Rakshit?
let's start.
Rakshit, do you know Dream? Dream is a YouTuber. Dream is a YouTuber.
Let us mute.
Okay. Guys, we got crewmate again. Okay, let's complete this task. Classmates on ready. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to stay here. Let us first fix the lights. Oh.
What? A dead body. Hey, two people, three people left. Ayyo.
Rakshit,
What?
I
I
thought
am again the imposter.
you were the imposter because you came from that side only. I thought. I don't know, guys.
Your
Why?
voice is breaking again.
Okay.
So, guys, I'm continuously being the imposter. I don't know how.
Okay, Rakshit. You actually leave the. You actually leave it. Now I'll create one.
I already four people are there. Next match is okay for you?
Okay.
Next match.
No, because sometimes when I created a game, I kept it in public, and every time I only got the imposter.
Okay.
So I think so. There's a
five people came. More five people. More five people. Five people. Hey!
Love you left the
More
game.
five people. Okay. So should I keep long task 4?
No, Rakshit.
Short task 5.
No, because
But long task will be decreased. Yes, long task 2, 1. At least one should be there. Start. Ring a roses. Ring a roses. Unlucky fellow.
me too.
What?
Me too. Unlucky.
Cyborg just reported.
Yes, Rakshit. It's black.
How so? Green walk by in.
I went out to fix the lights, and when I was going
It's
through.
green.
No, it's black.
green.
It's black. It's black.
Turquoise means green only.
Rakshit, it's black. Rakshit.
What is the reason that it became black?
I saw him coming. I actually saw him coming to admin, and the dead body was there. It's black, Rakshit. I am telling you that.
So,
They are going to
Okay.
vote me out. You-
3 vote. Maybe self-reporter. How it could be a self? Oh, it could be self-report. It could.
Rakshit, as you the proof, I came just out from the room. I was with you, Rakshit. I'm not
Yeah,
the.
no, you. Oh, you're not an imposter.
I told you
Oh,
that.
sorry.
See.
It's black.
Yes, I told you that. Black killed and came.
Because you are acting too much suspicious. When the lights went out, you were not there with me.
Yes, because I went to electric through storage.
Play again. Oh, sorry. Leave.
Okay, can I host now?
Yes. Do.
Okay, one
Say the
second.
code.
I'm going to leave
Make
one.
10 people 3 imposters, please. 3
Okay.
imposters. But you can change the map.
I'll keep it mirror. 3 imposters, English, 10, confirm.
Sometimes it will not work if you're not having the fastest phone.
Yes, Rakshit. RAD HLQ.
RADHLQ.
Yes.
Okay, I came.
Yes.
So keep it in public.
Okay. Yes, I kept it in public. Okay, emergency meetings.
So guys, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to like and subscribe. I'm not gonna end the video here.
Yes, guys. Actually, we are going to play more 3 or 2 games. Then we are going to end the video.
Okay. channel, I'll upload like gaming videos about Brawl Stars and Among Us. These two games only.
Yes, guys. Actually, we thought to make Minecraft today, but actually we were not.
In my channel, someone wrote comment that you should only make Brawl Stars and
Among Us.
Among Us only. That's why I did like this. Michael, excuse me. Why is he not moving?
Keep it in chat. Keep it in chat.
Hi, Michael. Why are you not moving? Are you moving? Auto correction is the best. Hi, Michael. Why are you moving? Sorry, not moving.
Oh yes, hacker. Hacker.
It could not be FT Gamer.
Why?
I thought he's FT Gamer because he keeps game tag that only.
No, he kept HAKER, not CKER.
Hey, Michael, you're not moving.
Shall
Are
we-
you the imposter?
Shall we kick him?
No. 3 persons are there. That is enough.
Oh yes, 2
2
persons.
persons came.
Oh, one more.
More person.
More 4.
One
then
more.
Yes.
More 4. So guys, if I and
Oh,
Cyborg K is an imposter, we will unmute ourselves because we are not separated. 6 people. 7 people.
It's
Oh,
again
6
six.
people only.
Not Mr.
7.
Beast. Not Mr. Beast. I think
Not
so. It's Mr. Beast.
Beast.
No. Mr. keeps. Mr. Beast keeps every name tag. Not Mr. Beast. Like that only.
Is it a Mr. Beast?
I think so.
So guys, let's wait. I am a crewmate.
I am a crewmate as well.
So we don't need to unmute ourselves. Sorry, mute.
All are following us only, Rakshit.
Okay, like that, huh? I'm not doing that much suspicious. I'm doing my task. Office room. Hey, you, let me in.
I think so.
Upload.
I think so. I have a suspicion of Brett because he keeps following
Can
me.
you watch
Yes.
Data completed.
Rakshit, report it.
It's black. I saw him.
Rakshit, can I tell one thing?
Black.
Rakshit, it's
I
Brett.
saw.
Rakshit, it's Brett.
Red.
Brett, purple. He killed me and immediately went into admin. And also Black is also the imposter because Black did not report it. And Black did not report it, Rakshit.
Yes, I saw.
Yes.
Sorry, purple. I think it's purple.
Yes.
What purple.
Yes, Pickle also is.
Now we have to watch 2 more imposters. If this fellow is an imposter, then you have to watch 2 more.
Okay. It's
This
Black.
Mr. Beast died, huh?
It's Black and purple for sure, Rakshit.
No, it got. No.
Tie.
It got tied.
Yes. Rakshit, both of them are the
So-
imposters. Rakshit, don't
Purple
fall.
one, I'll follow you all.
Rakshit, don't follow. He will kill you. Don't follow. He will kill you. I also followed him and
I'll be other side.
Rakshit, now only he vented. I think so. He stood near this vent and went somewhere.
Yes, he vented. He's vented. Where is the emergency button?
He vented. I didn't see that
Purple
actually.
vented. Then how did he went out? Purple vented. I saw, believe me.
What? It seems. Not Mr. Beast voted. Oh, told ya. What's up?
Told ya. What's up? Purple! What for this purple? How we went that much fastly to another place?
Yes. Actually, I was near the cafeteria only, and he stood near the vent and went somewhere.
Yes. What purple pickle? Purple. Buy breath.
Yes,
What?
I told you, Rakshit. It's bread and black. I told you.
Okay, but why did he lost? Oh, one person left. Why did he left?
Player left it seems.
Play again. Play
Wha-
again.
Yes, I clicked the
Waiting
play
for
again.
host.
Yes, I kept it in public
It's
only.
saying waiting for host.
You joined already.
I joined.
Yes, I can.
My two more people only did. All of them left. And no one is coming. I don't know why. Keep it in private and public. Yay! 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 I'm running so much faster.
So
There is a
guys,
trick how you can become imposter.
what?
You have to circle this customize 6 times. One, two. Not now, not now. After 10 people come. Then go near this box for hiding. Continuously you have to go. You should not stop. Go to this box. But you should not move from the box.
Okay.
Not here. Wait, I'll show you. 1,
You
2,
stopped. You stopped.
3, 4, 5, 6. Go here and stop. You should not move from there. These people are thinking, what are we doing? Hi, it seems crazy. Hi. Who left? Skipper. Grey Vanna. Kochi Manor.
All funny names. Breadman it seems.
7 people came. 8.
Or two
2
more.
more people come.
Where are you from? India.
Where are you from?
India.
India.
Let's do this game. Yes.
Doing this game. Let's do this game is thinking. Start.
1 second.
Start. I should not move. Yes, you. Crewmate. Unlucky person.
Me too.
That glitch doesn't work. Now let me go to. I don't have any question. Medbay. Balcony. Someone left. Sabotaged light.
Oh no.
Betty, go and fix the light.
Where is electric? And this BIF is following.
Someone is trying to stop the lights. Hurry! They killed me.
Who?
Pink, orange vented. Pink killed me first. Then orange came and vented. Vote first pink. Then you vote orange. Pink and orange vented. Not pink. He did not vented.
Okay, something.
He killed me, but
That's why I.
if
Oh, orange only. Most of the words.
he is an imposter.
Yes, Om was an imposter.
But pink is another imposter. Be careful.
Yes,
You
that's.
Pinku fellow.
Oh
He
no.
vented. He vented. Gray vote. Gray. He saw the imposter. Are you idiot? Gray one. Hey, Cyborg, do the emergency meeting. Pink vented.
No. Actually, I tried, but it's saying that it's a cry. It can be used only in
No, you
crisis.
cannot do meeting in crisis.
The white is
Did
not.
you fixed it?
No. Pink is with me only, and blue is also there here.
Pink is the imposter, remember?
I am very scared. I am going to go.
Go away from him. He's following you.
Yes.
Do an emergency meeting.
Oh
Hey, Cyborg, did you keep this longer range?
no! No, I didn't keep.
I think you kept a long range.
That was only I was thinking. Acha.
It's not Mia. It's definitely Pink. Believe me.
Pink sus.
It was Mia. Is he mad?
Wow.
But Pink. You
Okay.
cannot write anything when you died.
Yes. Only you can see that.
Yes.
You, Kochiman, Alec,
sus.
Om can see that.
Vote you people.
Vote
Gray
pink.
one vote.
Vote pink, bro. Also, I'm going to end it.
Gray one saw Pink vote vented. Why did it not did emergency meeting?
Wow.
Red man is not idiot.
Oh, I know the strategy of pink. It
Gray
was
one is the imposter. That's why he did not need an emergency meeting.
yes because okay.
Okay, I'll tell you how to make it short. Play again.
1 second.
Okay, go to this customize.
Yes.
Go to this customize. Click on game and keep kill distance normal. Keep it short.
I kept it actually
How
medium.
did I got pink? Red is better.
7 out of them.
Over. Keep cool distance. Kill cooldown as 30.
Kill cooldown 45.
30 or 25.
I'm going to keep it 30. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 are there. 2 more people come in. Otherwise, you can start now only.
3 imposters, no? Shall we start?
If 3 is gonna be the imposters, wait. 1, 2, 3. Then 4 people will be the crewmates. No.
Yes.
Another person come. Hi. One more person come. There's no lockdown. One more person come. Please. Start.
I actually tried that glitch.
Okay. So we will mute.
I know who is it, guys. It's Rakshit Gamer. But I will check him. He depleted it, I think so. Yes.
Hello, you're not muted. I can hear what you're saying.
Okay.
Who killed her?
You only killed me. I thought that because you muted, And I told in the video actually.
But you are not muted. That's why I heard everything what you said.
Okay, why are you not joining? Oh, yes, join. Some of them are
Dark blue
clicking.
is my.
Some of them are clicking. Again, this grey came, huh?
Grey came again.
Green star, it seems.
Green star. These two fellows are same only.
I actually tried that glitch, you said.
But it will not work. It was 2 days ago and they fixed it.
Oh. Speed up what?
Why speed up? No, keep it normal only.
No. If they speed up, if they become the imposter.
Imposter, then we will run super speed. Speed up it seems.
Okay, Rakshit, shall we mute or keep
If
it
you
on?
are not the imposter, then you can unmute.
Okay.
Oxygen depletement. Reactor, it's way too far from here.
Oh.
Yeah, reactor is not here.
Yes. Now only I read. Why are you going there again?
Reactor is not here.
It is near cafeteria. Okay. It is from here.
Hey, DI. What is this fellow doing, Ray? Who did that? I know it was Cyborg. Are this yellow fellow saw it. Why is he not doing anything?
Yellow is also the imposter.
Okay. Grey? Grey saw it.
Grey reported green star, not you.
Yes, sir. But he saw it killing you. That's why.
No.
He saw yellow fellow.
You are voting me out, Rose, and I am being your partner. Wow.
I was with light green. Then I went other way.
Wow, this Rose is kicking me
Cyborg
out.
I saw. Yes, he is Cyborg only. Everyone vote him out. Tell me who is the third imposter?
No, sorry.
Copper. Is he the imposter? He's not imposter.
Yes, we won.
Rosa. Wait, if he's the imposter, why is he telling you the name?
Yes. He's kicking me out.
He's kicking you out.
Actually, no one was there. So I thought, okay, Rose is on imposter team only, no? Then we can. 5 people join at a time. As soon as I clicked play
Why
again.
did I pick a pink? That is very nice one.
You are changing it every time.
3, 4, 5, 6. Then come here. Stay. Start at least. Start.
1 second.
Okay. Hooray. So guys, as you can see, it's very boring to be a crewmate.
Yes, actually. We have tasks in cafeteria also. I'm going to go into cafeteria.
I'm going to admin. Green killed me.
Green killed you.
Yes, sir.
Then I think so. Green is the imposter.
Why everyone was targeting me? Is he my fan, huh? Is he my subscriber, huh?
I don't know. It's your channel, you should know that.
How will I know?
I think so. Everyone is skipping, I think so.
Keep, please. Yes, one was vote. Nico vote, re. Otherwise, you have to wait for 90 seconds.
Bro.
Nico. Nico, excuse me.
He cannot hear
Wait
me.
for 80 seconds. Wait for 80 seconds. We cannot do anything.
Did he vote?
No, I did not.
It's Cooper.
Cooper.
It's Cooper, it seems. He's
You
only.
vote.
Oh.
He did not wrote anything in chat box. Vote or kick.
Shall I kick him?
Yes, kick him. We cannot do anything. But 2 more people should say to kick. No. Arey, that mad fellow, huh?
I am the crewmate.
Then why did you not say my name?
Means I didn't understand.
Cyborg. Where is this fellow? Oh, you are there. Then who is dark blue?
Dark blue, I think so. No one is there.
Hey, copper. He vented. Use an emergency meeting.
Okay.
And vote for the green also. You are the.
Yes.
He became imposter 2 times while I became only 1 time.
No, you also became 2 times, Rakshit. In the first game you hosted, it did not come. In the second game you hosted, it came, and you hosted the third game, it came.
Very boring.
I actually thought to kill you first only, but someone killed you.
Green fellow, I will kill you next. My target is him only. Where you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
2, 3, 4,
6. Done.
5, 6. Coming. One more person come.
One only.
Nice.
Actually, one came, and when I was rounding, he left.
Only one person come. Others you start.
Shall I start?
Start it. We cannot do anything. That fellow is not coming. Cyborg, we both are imposters.
Yes. Let's do this. Rakshit?
Let's do this.
No, Rakshit. Oh, we three are the imposters. Oh no, Alexander, don't kill anyone. If you kill, we
But I will
three.
sabotage. Who sabotage?
I think so, Alexander sabotaged.
This is the luckiest moment ever. I and Cyborg became the imposters. Let me pretend that I'm doing the task.
Oh, okay, Rakshit, shall we kill him?
No. First you check if no one is there. Oh,
Oh, this guy came. No, actually, there's no vent here.
we can kill both.
No,
He
Rakshit.
went away.
No.
We can kill this fellow. I'll kill him.
Rakshit, let's vent.
Went.
Oh no, someone saw us, I know that. I think so, Green Star saw
Green
us.
star.
Purple died. Huh? Purple? Ah? Why is saying purple? Purple was not there only. Kill red. Oh!
Purple killed red.
No, actually he saw your color, but he saw purple, I think so. Means he felt purple, I think so. Okay, let's
So
vote.
let me vote purple.
I am also voting purple. You have been sus the whole game. It sounds like green, but because he's starting a commotion.
So what we are gonna sabotage next?
Okay, let's see.
Oxygen.
No, no, no.
I'll do the oxygen. No, reactor. Reactor.
No, 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 Rakshit. Actually, let's do electric, Rakshit, because no one goes there, no? We can do.
Electrical is way too far.
Yes, way too
Electrical is
far.
nearer.
And when someone is in the game, sorry, when someone is coming.
I'm in medbay. Two liar. No, you liar. I'm voting you. Vote liar.
Array, skip vote or something. Do fast.
Copper is not voting. Why is that fellow not voting? Right? You should have kept the voting time very slow.
I didn't check that, Rakshit. You aren't fooling
You
anyone.
aren't fooling anyone.
It's almost
I
going to be a
watched two
stream.
people scan.
No, actually,
And I forgot vote.
no, actually, I think so. Yeah, actually, it's going to be a stream, guys.
There's no way. Guys, comment down how we can do stream in mobile.
No,
Because
Rakshit,
I don't know how to do that.
Rakshit, actually, we should get at least 1,000 subscribers. Oh, 3 words. It's tie.
What happened?
It's
No
a tie.
one was ejected.
Okay, Rakshit, wait. Let's sabotage electric, Rakshit.
Let me do.
Where is
Why I
electric?
cannot sabotage? It's not letting me to sabotage.
Okay, let's sabotage office.
Arey, why is this sabotage button not working? Now it worked.
Okay, we can kill someone and vent. Oh, there are so many people are coming. Rakshit, don't kill anyone.
We can do like this.
No.
Arey, if this one people will stay in one place, we can kill them and think who is
no.
the imposter? What is this Alexander do? Let me sabotage. I cannot sabotage. I need time for that.
No, actually, I'll sabotage communications.
Kill
Rakshit.
this fellow.
No, Rakshit, don't kill. Don't kill him. Someone can come.
What? Reactor meltdown. Wait for reactor.
Should we kill this guy?
No need leave.
Okay.
Someone is at decantination room.
Decantination room.
Ah.
Someone went into this thing now?
We won! I killed her. So guys, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Yes,
Bye
guys.
everyone. Signing out, Rakshit Gamer.